Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back, now start by opening up the app, and once you're in here, just tap on send. Okay. As you can see, we don't have the sell option in here. So in that case, we'll be using a crypto platform. Now for this example, I'm going to be using Binance. Okay. Now, for example, I'm going to transfer Ethereum right here. As you can see, it needs an address. So what we'll do next is open up the crypto platform, which in this case is Binance. And what I'm going to do here is just tap on my assets or wallet right here at the bottom right, and then tap on add funds, and then select on-chain deposit. Tap on it. Now, select Ethereum as Ethereum was selected on the Phantom Wallet. Ethereum right here, maybe BEB20. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and tap on the deposit address. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back to Phantom, unlock it, of course. Now it says here, paste from clipboard. If you don't trust this one, just tap and hold in the username or address right here and paste it manually. All right, hit on next. Now in here, as you can see, it now needs an amount. So for example, you'd like to send maybe 10 Ethereum. Okay, make sure that you have enough balance, or you could go ahead and go to the bottom right, tap on max to max it out, and then hit on next right here and follow simple prompts. And in no time, you should receive your balance here under your Binance, okay, or Binance wallet. Okay, it should be listed right here, Ethereum. Now, once it's here, you now then want to sell it. Okay, so what do we do? So to sell it, tap on send right here, and then go ahead and tap on P2P trading. As you can see here, it says sell directly to users. Tap on it. Now go to find your Ethereum right here. Tap on it. Now enter the amount, for example, 50. Okay, this is via Express. The fun part here is that you can go ahead and use P2P trading. Okay, for example, Ethereum is now selected in here, right? So what you'll do is just tap on amount and maybe $100. Okay, and as you can see here, from these traders, you have multiple options like banking. Okay, I live in the Philippines. I have a Union Bank in here, Metropolitan Land Bank, and Banco de Oro. Now, depending on your region, your payment options right here or payout options will vary. Okay, so just go ahead and tap on select. For example, you like the options from this trader, so just tap on sell. Now in here, you can go ahead and sell by USD or by Ethereum amount. Okay, once that's done, tap on select the payment method, and all the payment method that is available to this trader will be in here. Okay, so for example, I'd like to use a Land Bank. Now I'm just going to go ahead and enter my bank account number right here, full name, bank branch, which is optional phone number. And then once done, hit on confirm and just wait for it to reflect your bank. And after that, enjoy your hard-earned money. That is it. That is how you withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.